Hey everyone! In today's video, we are learning COUNTIF in Excel using a simple Office task tracker. COUNTIF lets you count how many cells meet a condition. For example, how many tasks are done, how many are high priority, or how many took 5 hours or more. Just a quick note, the spreadsheet I am using in this demo is linked in the description, so you can download it and practice along. Let's say I want to know how many tasks are already completed. We will use COUNTIF on the status column. Click on any empty cell, type an equals sign to start a formula. Begin typing COUNTIF. From the suggestions, click or press tab on COUNTIF. This will insert it and open a bracket. Now we need the range. Click and drag over the status column values D2 to D11. Type a comma. Next, type the criteria inside quotes. Close the bracket and hit enter. Excel instantly shows the result 4. This tells me 4 tasks in my list are already marked as done. For the next one, I want to count how many tasks are marked as high priority. The formula is almost the same as before. Instead of pointing at the status column, I will select the priority column and instead of typing done, I will type high and hit enter. Excel tells me there are 4 high priority tasks. COUNTIF also works beautifully with numbers. Let's check how many tasks took 5 or more hours to complete. This time, I will select the hours spent column and my condition will be more than equal 5. Hit enter and Excel tells me there are 3 tasks that required 5 or more hours. And that's how easy it is to use COUNTIF in Excel. With COUNTIF, you don't have to manually count anything. Excel does it for you instantly. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.